Worth money. Great deal. Intelligent wash. Easy to handle. 2-click wash. Forget after put clothes in it. Been a week so far, enjoying using it. Performance is up to mark. Chores don't die, they just get clean. Installation took booking and a lot of following up from our side. Wish I could buy it in an offer or something, but I still don't regret paying almost full amount. Of course I wish there was gene wash setting or a magic dispenser. Maybe I am just being greedy. Samsung is the market leader in imaging devices and has quite a name in the smartphone industry. But it is the success of the large appliances which makes it a household name. I wanted to buy this washing machine on Amazon but got the better deal from the local dealer, so bought from him. This is a fully automatic machine which gives a peace of mind and need no human inversion apart from pressing the start button. With the various options available, the full procedure can be completed in as less as 25 minutes. However, for stricter cleaning, it is ideally required to be done in about 40 minutes. The machine hardly requires any maintenance apart from the filter cleaning in every alternate wash or so, and occasionally drum washing, which can be done on a press of a button. I have been using it for little more. However, while giving the longer stuff, like bedsheet or curtains, it is very much required to put in such a way that it does not tangle, else it will vibrate the machine very badly. It is good machine within the budget and operation is also good. I have checked with water meter. For a complete wash, level 5, it takes 190 liters, and when the water is in level 3 it takes 140 liters for a complete wash. Installation was smooth and performance is good. No extra sounds produced. Inlet pipe and outlet pipe are bit small. I have purchased inlet A. Value for money. Totally satisfied with the washing. Gentle care on clothes. Very nice product by Samsung. Very easy to use, value for money and good seller too for nice safety package of washing machine. Thank Amazon for very fast prime delivery. Luckily I got it on Akshaya Tritiya. Value for money. Nice product. Will always recommend. Brought this for 12,750 from other online site during sale. Machine is perfect for family of 4 or 5. Clothes are washed pretty clean. Would I recommend? Yes, definitely, it's value for money. I would like to thank Amazon for giving me such a wonderful product on time. Machine is working good, no damage. By God grace everything is working fine. Once again thanks to whole team. Very good product. Thank you Amazon. I would give a 5-star rating for the product. The delivery and installation was also great. The washing machine looks great. Have been using it for a few weeks now. Very good cleaning and no noise while operation. Have not faced any issues yet. Excellent product from Samsung in the price range. Very happy with the buy, smiley face. But no detergent. Good machine washing quality, normal cloth cleaning depending Surf Excel Matic. Click link in description for more reviews.